Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here today. Our word of the day is assistance. It's a B2 level noun that means help or support. This is such a useful word, especially when you want to describe offering or receiving help in various situations. Let's start with a simple definition. Assistance refers to the act of helping someone or providing support when it's needed. For example, if your friend is moving to a new apartment, they might ask for your assistance to carry boxes or organize furniture. Now, let's look at some synonyms for assistance. Words like help, aid, support, and guidance are great alternatives. Here's an example using a synonym. The teacher offered her guidance to help the students complete their project. Another sentence could be, the charity provides financial aid to families in need. These words are similar in meaning and can often be used interchangeably with assistance depending on the context. On the flip side, let's explore antonyms, or words with opposite meanings. For assistance, antonyms include obstruction, hindrance, and opposition. Here's an example. Instead of helping, his comments were more of a hindrance to the discussion. Another one might be, the lack of funding became an obstruction to completing the project. So, how can you use assistance in your everyday conversations? You might say, could you please lend me your assistance with this report? Or, she offered her assistance to the elderly neighbor who needed help with groceries. It's also common in more formal settings like, thank you for your assistance in resolving this issue. Here are a few more examples of assistance in action. The company provides technical assistance to customers experiencing problems with their products. During the event, volunteers were on hand to offer assistance to anyone who needed it. He was grateful for the medical assistance he received after the accident. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap. Assistance means help or support. Some synonyms include help, aid, and support, while antonyms include hindrance and obstruction. It's a versatile word that can be used in both formal and casual situations. Thank you so much for joining me today on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps more people discover the show. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word assistance and share it in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of English.